Welcome to Residence 12A at the Windsors. This is a large, bright studio apartment with separate kitchen, private balcony, classic bathroom, and an abundance of closets. Upon entering the home, your eye is immediately drawn straight through the apartment to the stunning views. Facing west, a large private balcony offers one-of-a-kind 180-degree views over the Hudson River. Looking south, you'll see the George Washington Bridge, as well as the estate section of Riverdale, home to some of the city's most prolific mansions. Facing west, you'll see directly over New Jersey's skyline as the sun sets each night, and north, as far as the eye can see, over the Palisades. The balcony measures 12.7 by 6.2 and can easily fit seating. The large living area is quite spacious. With nearly 17 feet of wall space, you have more than enough room for a king-size bed and full living room seating area. Brand new luxury vinyl wood flooring and baseboard trim have been installed for a uniquely modern finish. The apartment also features central air. Just past the living area in the separate eat-in kitchen, new lighting fixtures and stainless steel appliances have been integrated. Large enough to fit a round dining table, you can enjoy dinner during golden hour as you stare out the large window and windowed patio door. The apartment also boasts 3 oversized closets for all your storage needs. The entrance foyer is the classic coat closet. The dressing area has a double bifold closet with built-in storage, and a third closet is deeper than any typical closet, offering a versatile storage option. Beyond the dressing area is the quaint bathroom, updated with white marble tile but also featuring some of the original post-war details which can double as additional storage. Located in the Riverdale section of the Bronx in New York City, the Windsors is a 2-building cooperative. All utilities, including electricity, are included in the $446 maintenance bill. The building's amenities include 24-hour doorman, gym, outdoor pool with cabanas, playground and grill area, indoor and outdoor parking, bike and storage rooms, and a lawn area with benches. The Windsors is dog-friendly and features a live-in super and handyman 7 days a week. The City and Express bus is located just in front of the building. Please contact me for more information or to set up a private showing.